What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I will show you how can you make high ticket commission just simply posting jobs on Facebook. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank and many other marketplaces. I am working here for last 8 years and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. If you are first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And if you want to make big money like 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing and if you want to run your online business successfully for a lifetime, then subscribe my YouTube channel and stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Now I will show you everything step by step. How can you make high ticket commission just posting jobs on Facebook? I will show you step by step everything and I will show you all these things in just 3 steps. So guys, be ready to make high ticket commissions. So step number on getting approval of a high ticket program. So I recommend you to join the Enter Institute and you will get the link in my video description. And Enter Institute, it's an educational training platform and you can it's a high ticket program and you can promote this high ticket program and you will get commission from $4 and up to 10,000 and a lot of mid ticket sales inside this 4 and 10,000. So you see here it's Enter Institute, the homepage of Enter Institute. He's the founder of Mr. Jeff Lerner, founder of Enter Institute. And see here affiliate program, click here, type your first name, your last name, your email address, your country, your phone number and join as a free affiliate and they will approve you instantly. So guys, be ready to make this high ticket commission. So step number 1 has been completed. Now step number 2, you have to build a pre-sales page. In case of Facebook, if you promote direct affiliate link, then your job will be flagged or your account may be banned or your job may be removed. So you have to build a pre-sales page or a middle page for submitting in Facebook. So I will show you how to build a pre-sales page without any website. So guys, stay tuned with me and check into my computer. You see here it's Google Doc and you have to write all the positive points of Enter Institute inside your pre-sales page and you will get all this inside here. You can check everything here and you will get everything, every details about Enter Institute and you have to submit all the best points, all the attracting points of Enter Institute for selling this high ticket program and you will get everything inside here. Or on tricky way, you can search Enter Institute review and you see here a lot of review posts and you will get the help to get the best benefit of this Intern Institute you will get from this search result, and you can visit all this website and get the best points of Intern Institute. Now I am creating this middle page here or free sales page here. So you have to build this type of pre-sales page. After building this type of pre-sales page, you have to set your affiliate link here, and for this, here is my Intern Institute, and you will see here inside your affiliate dashboard, and go here advertise link, and you will see all the sales affiliate links here, and you can choose any of these. Just copy and go this middle page. Use here, yes, I want to join Intern Institute, link here, and join number on high ticket business for first 7. That's it. So you can use Google Doc for making your free sales page. So there is no excuse, I have no website, I have no page builder, so how can I build this free sales page? So it's so simple and anyone can apply this. Now you can get this link, click here, share, get shareable link. Now you have to, it's a details long link, so you can shorten your link here. Just go here, this bit.ly.com, it's a link shortener, and shorten your link. Okay, so your second step, build a pre-sales page, has been completed. Now you have to post your jobs on Facebook. So check into my computer and complete this final step. Go your Facebook and look here, see more, and look here, jobs. Create a job. Now you have to fulfill all these files, all these blanks for post your jobs. So I will show you everything. At first, your job title. Here is my job title. Now you have to put your address, and I recommend you to put a big city or a major city of first tier country, and it will be good for your jobs. So you can add this. Okay, fine. Now salary range. It's a high ticket program, and minimum you can earn 0 to 500. So you can put your salary range 0 to 500. Minimum 0 to 500. per hour. That's it. Now here is the job type and it will be contract. Now you have to put your job description and you see here you have to put your affiliate link here. After getting your shortened link, here is a problem. So you can put your affiliate link here. You can use tiny URL for shorten your link. That's fine. That's it. Now you can ask few questions here. So you can add this type of questions inside your job post, and you have to upload a photo for your job post, and you can get all the best photos from your institute, and you have to post the linked or similar of institute. You can choose any type of post inside your post. You can choose any type of images for your jobs, and it's not a mandatory fact. So guys, that's it, and after adding your images you can post jobs. That's it. Boom. So guys, make this high ticket commission just posting jobs on Facebook. It's so much simple and so much easy. I will show you a step by step everything, so there is no excuse. How can I do it? It's so simple and so much easy for doing this simple task. So guys, if you want to make big money from online, you have to promote high ticket programs, and if you want to promote high tickets program for free, then it's one of the best way to promote in Facebook, just posting jobs. So guys, if this video helped you, then like this video, and if you have any questions, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share it with for the other peoples. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming helping videos. And if you want to make big money, then check my number on recommendation. Now see here is my entire institute, and I am making this commission for last month, and I hope you will make this type of commission like me. It's a big money opportunity, guys. Just do this simple task, just simple task. It's newbie friendly and anyone is applicable for doing this job. So guys, all of your 3 steps, I will remind it again. Just get approval from Inter Institute, Number 2, build a pre-sales page using Google Doc. And number 3, posting jobs with manually doing everything. That's it. Best of luck. Don't forget to like this video, guys. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel. I hope it will help you for making money by affiliate marketing. That's it. Best of luck.